Hello everyone, welcome to the virtual solar tour of St. John St. Margaret's Church. GetSolar has had the honour of installing a 264 kilowatt peak solar system for this church. With construction completed in 1.5 months, the system has been fully operational since September 2025 and is entirely owned by St. John St. Margaret's Church. It covers around 1,158 square meters and saves the church $7,000 to $8,000 a month on electricity bills. Surrounded by HDBs, our engineers carefully studied the roof design to maximize sun exposure. The system uses Tier 1 GetSolar panels, which has an efficiency of 22.84%. Let's take a closer look at this solar facility. Here we have the Huawei inverters, which converts direct current power from the solar panels into alternating current electricity. We also pay close attention to cable routing and junction boxes to ensure safety and long-term performance. We've divided the system into two 100 kilowatt inverters and one 12 kilowatt inverter. This helps to ensure that there is flexibility in the design and that each roof performs at its best. This part of the church has a reinforced concrete roof, so we use concrete ballast blocks to hold our mounting structures in place, giving us a strong, stable base for the solar panel. Here we have a metal roof with standing seams. Our mounting structures are clamped directly onto these seams, so there's no need for roof penetration, meaning no risk of waterproofing issues. As an extra safety measure, we've installed 1 meter tall edge protection rails to keep everyone safe during future maintenance or any roof access. For GetSolar, customer obsessed is a part of who we are. We will work closely with you before, during, and after the installation. Solar energy is no longer an inaccessible investment, but a mature, predictable, and sustainable reality that makes the best use of our planet's most inexhaustible resource, the sun. If you have any questions, we are always one call or email away. If you are a church looking to install solar, feel free to contact us now or scan this QR code to get your free solar proposal.